CGI Young Dreamers is about bringing innovation to kids and helping them learn about careers in STEM. We give them briefs that they have to respond to with a proposal, and then they present it at the end of the day. The best teams go through to a final, and the kids get to present in front of a panel of VIP judges. One of CGI's main values is corporate social responsibility, and our members live and breathe this.
So these are the innovators of the future. It's absolutely thrilling to have them here, and I am so excited to hear their presentations.
It teaches young children different skills that they may not have the exposure to when they're at school.
I think employers should come to our schools, as it really opens other doors and opportunities to other kids.
We want to give opportunities to those that otherwise wouldn't get to be involved with STEM and experience all these new technologies, and really let students of all backgrounds see that they can join the STEM workforce of the future.
It's important that we have a diverse workforce when people grow up, but also it's kind of breaking the barriers.
I think for any company who wants to get involved in this, it's a no-brainer. Yeah, you're gaining by giving.
It's just a really enjoyable, rewarding thing.
So it's giving back to the society.